Welcome to this CoCloud tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to annotate point cloud and 3D model data in CoCloud. The platform supports various annotation types, including points, lines, circles, and polygons. Annotations can be used for measurements, positioning notes, and exporting. You can create new annotations via the top toolbar, or by clicking the Add button next to the annotation groups on the left. Let's start with point annotations. Click the point icon in the toolbar. Then click on the area where you want to add a point annotation. This will record the point coordinates. You can edit the point name and description. In the toolbar, choose whether to display the annotation's name, coordinates, or both. New points appear in the left sidebar. On the right, you can choose to locate, delete, or export annotations. Supported exports formats include CHCNAV, CSV, DEXF, and CML. Next, line annotations. Click the line icon. Then click consecutively to draw one more connected line segments. Right-click to finish the annotation. The platform automatically calculates each segment's length and total length. In the Property panel, you can enter a name, description, and view measurement details. Like points, live supports selective display and exports in multiple formats. Now for circle annotations. Click circle icon. Select the circle center on the page. Then drag to divide the radius. Right-click to complete annotation. The Property panel displays circle's area, radius, and center coordinates. You can also name and add notes to the circle. Exports in common formats are supported for further analysis and archiving. Finally, polygon annotations. Click the polygon icon. Then click each vertex securely on the page. Right-click to close and complete the polygon. The Property panel will automatically show the polygon's area, perimeter, and elevation difference. You can also perform volume calculations or result comparisons based on the polygon. Annotations can be exported for further processing or sharing. With CoCloud's versatile annotation tools, you can easily mark spatial data and perform precise measurements to support your project analysis and collaboration.